How do I decide whether I should pause a keyword or just lower bids? First off, you would look at a keyword and look into, hey, is this keyword even relevant? Because even if you're getting clicks, but the keyword is not relevant, that is a clear go-to, hey, pause that keyword because it's not relevant for you. Maybe it is a keyword that you're not even targeting, but it shows up in your discovery campaigns, either your auto campaigns, broad match, phrase match campaigns. In that case, you would negate that keyword. So you're not pausing it. You are not going to allow Amazon to showcase it. So let's say you're pausing it without pausing it specifically. Now that we ruled out it's not working, we would look into what works but is too expensive for us. Let's say that we have a keyword that is the 100% ACoS, and that means there's zero profit margin on the product. What we are trying to do is lower that bid. So we're going to meet one specific ACoS goal. Let's say that our break-even ACoS, the point whenever you are going to pay more than that product or less than that product, it's going to decide if you're profitable or not. So in this case, let's say we have a 60% break-even ACoS. Our current ACoS is at 100%. We are trying to reduce the bit by bit to see if we can meet the 60% ACoS. If we can, that means that we successfully reduce the bid without needing to pause the keyword. First off, I would rule out whatever does not work for me. Clearly, it's not a good match. That is something I would pause right away without even thinking